This is my Cen TR4. This is a childhood car I had from a long time ago, probably in my mid-20s. I had this car. I think you've heard in another video it was slightly modified because I had a OS Max engine in it instead of the original engine. But this one I'm just you know, repairing it. So the body stay post was all snapped. It's all leaning forward for some reason, but I think it's the actual chassis that's bent. But when this was snapped, it took the actual rear gearbox housing with it, so I had to buy a gearbox housing and a new stay and repaired all of that. That weren't too bad as a price. So I'm on to the front now. So the front, as you can see here, is all snapped. So this is all snapped here, which I'm thinking it's the front gear, part of the front gearbox. And I remember when these cars were brand new, they had a massive bumper at the front. So someone must have hit it and the bumpers come off and then taken some of the gearbox with it. So I've actually bought, and you can see from the screws they're missing. So I've actually bought a new gearbox housing, a new stay on here, which I don't need. And I've actually bought an actual bumper that goes on the front. And I think on top of the bumper as well, you can have like a foam insert that sits on top of it. But since these cars are pretty rare, it's really hard to get hold of. So
let's get this done. And for you guys, it will be under a time lapse.